Systems of linear equations. What we've been solving before, we've been solving equations, just single equations. Plus 4x minus 1 all over x plus 1 equals 7. Okay? This equation has, it's one equation and one unknown, which is x. Sometimes I throw variables in there, a and b and stuff like that, but we're solving for x. Now we're going to do a system of linear equations. What does linear mean? Linear means they're all to the power of 1. That's what we're solving for. We're always solving as x to the power of 1. Okay? So a system of linear equations might be, for example, let's say 2x equals 1 plus y, and 2y equals 3, 4 minus x. Okay, so now what I have here is I have two equations and two unknowns. Okay, x and y. And I always need to have the same number of equations as unknowns to be able to solve this. If I have more unknowns than equations, then I can't solve it because I don't have enough equations to bound the solution. And if I have too many equations over unknowns, then it becomes over restricted. Okay? So in this course, we'll always having the same number of equations as we have unknowns. So the first thing we have to do with this thing is to put it into kind of standard form. Okay? And what we kind of want is we're going to want to have all our variables on one side is equal to some value. Okay, so let's do that. Let's do that with the equation 1. And first thing we want to do is actually, we want to label the equations. We need to talk about what we're talking about now, because now it's just not one equation, it might be two. So we're going to take equation 1 and equation 2. So let's rearrange equation 1. Okay, so it'll be 2x minus y equals 1. So all our variables are on one side, and our constant is on the other side. We'll rearrange equation 2, and we have to expand this thing first. So we'll get 2y equals 12 minus 3x. Let's bring that over. So we'll get 2y plus 3x equals 12. And I want it kind of to be in line here. So it's going to be 3x plus 2y equals 12. And when I say in line, this is going to be the system of equations. And this is the form that we should always have it in, okay? So it should be 2x minus y equals 1 and 3x plus 2y equals 12. That is a system of linear equations. They're all to the power of 1, and they're all nicely aligned. You have your x's right here, you got your y's right here, and you have your constants. You can have a system of linear equations with 3 equations and 3 unknowns. So it would be 3 equations, and it would be x, y, and let's say z, or any other variable that you choose. Okay, and equals some constant. But this is the form that we should have, and we'll be solving this using 3 different methods in the upcoming videos.